The side-latching auxiliary contact 11G218 can be fitted in two ways. Insert it into the supplied 11G280 housing, lightly pushing sideways to mount it as a normally closed contact, as shown in the diagram. Then remove it using the lever. If you rotate it 180 degrees, you can use it as a normally open auxiliary contact, latching it on like this. Then mount the unit on the side of the BF series contactor. As shown before, you can unhook and invert it by 180 degrees inside the housing to use it as a normally open contact. For auxiliary contacts 11G418 and 11G481, the release is slightly different. Use this upper lever to separate them from the contactor. That's all there is to it.